Alright, today, boys and girls, we are learning to recall sums for basic facts using properties and strategies. Okay, we are going to draw pictures to solve these problems. Alright. On Monday, Tony recycled 3 cans and 6 bottles. How many containers did he recycle? Alright, boys and girls, we're going to draw a picture and write a number sentence for this problem on the top box. Okay? So let's think about this. On Monday, Tony recycled 3 cans and 6 bottles. How many containers did he recycle? What would you guys do to draw a picture of this? What do you think? Nobody knows? Okay, here's what I would do. We're going to draw a picture of 3 cans, so I might just do 3 boxes. Okay. And 6 bottles, which I'm just going to make be like tall ovals. Okay. Next time I might just only do circles. Okay. How many total things does that equal, boys and girls? 3 and 6. You have 3, so I'm going to go ahead and write that under. Okay, plus 6. Now we're trying to see how many things that is. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 things, boys and girls. Okay? He recycled 9 containers. 3 of them were cans, 6 of them were bottles, but that's what he recycled. Does that make sense? 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay? All right, now let's do the bottom one. On Tuesday, Tony recycled 6 cans and 3 bottles. How many containers did he recycle? Okay, so this time, guys, he did 6 cans. So draw 6 squares. Okay, he drew 6, and then he had 3 bottles. I'm going to draw 3 circles for the 3 bottles. And how much does that equal? Okay, did we get those all drawn?
Yep. Yeah, it's split.
Okay,
It's mostly
so we have how many cans, boys and girls? 6 plus 3. Okay, so now let's count. We know this is 6, right? So this would be 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 3 plus 6 equals 9. Now, boys and girls, I heard someone say earlier, this is just flipped.
Yeah.
Your add-ins, your 2 numbers that you're adding, 3 plus 6, you just switched them to 6 plus 3.
Yeah.
You switched them, but you didn't change the numbers, did you?
No.
No, they're still the same numbers. They're still the same amount. Okay? You can flip add-ins, which are the 2 numbers that you're adding, and still get the same sum, which is the number that you are going to for the answer.
It's going to be 9.
Okay? Just because doesn't change it. Okay? You're still adding the same amount. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn the page. Yep, all right. So boys and girls, there are some ways to remember facts. You can count on 1, 2, or 3. So look right here, we have 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. Look, 1, 2, 3. All these first numbers stay the same, right? The second number goes up 1, so you go up 1 from 6, right? One more than that would be 8, which is 2 more. And then we have 9, which is adding 3 to that, okay? You can change the order of the add-ins. I just said this, okay? The two numbers that you add or you plus together can be flipped, okay? And it doesn't matter if they're flipped. It does not change the sum. It will not change the answer just because they're flipped, okay? It's still the same amount, okay? So, boys and girls, you know how when we do problems, usually you do a number plus another number equals, and then you have your answer? They're doing this backwards. Okay, they put the answer first. Okay, the equal sign is on the other side. Do you see that? So we have 8. What two numbers equal 8? 2 and 6. But you can flip the 2 and 6 and have 6 first, but it still equals 8. That is what we are doing today, boys and girls. However, you can see on here that sometimes they make the answer be in the front and not in the back of the number sentence. Okay? So let's look at this, because number 1, 2 plus 2, what does that equal, boys and girls? 4. Okay, if you know what 2 plus 2 equals, then you should know what 2 plus 3, because 3 is 1 more than 2, right? So what's 1 more than 4?
5.
2 plus 3 equals 5, right? Okay, 5 plus 0.
5.
5. Anything plus 0 is that's not same number, right? 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 8. You know what I like to do? I don't care what order the add-ins are in. I pick the big number first and I say it. What's the big number in here? 8. So 8. Then I like to do touch math. Okay, touch math is where you you can only do this with certain numbers, but you touch certain parts of it. So 8, 9, 10, 11. On the 3, I click this for 9, 10, 11. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. Has 3 points, okay? So 8 plus 3 is 11. If you switch the 8 and the 3, is that going to change the answer?
No.
So 8 plus 3 is 11 again. Right, Grayson? Maybe you should be writing this down then, my friend.
No one can hear. Trying to figure out. But your bottom one is going to be the same answer as your top.
Okay, so some of these have different numbers, right? But some of them will have the same. Now, boys and girls, number 4 has the blank at the beginning, okay? But the equal sign is right there. So it's just like you're going backwards, okay? 4 plus 4 equals what, boys and girls? 8. Now look at this. The next one is 3 plus 4. 3 is 1 less than 4. So the answer needs to be 1 less than the top one. What's 1 less than 8?
7.
7. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay, how many of you think you can do this on your own? Okay, you guys can go ahead and start. When you're done, I will check your problems. Okay, Liam, you can just send it to me. Just tell me when you're done. You guys then, after I check, could probably do the on your own. We might be doing the bottom part together. Okay, I will probably show you how to do the bottom part. And then maybe we'll do the hot problem. Okay? But then you'll do everything else on your own. So for now, go ahead and start, and I will come back and we will look at the bottom part of on your own. Okay. This says, find the addends for each shaded box in the addition table. Write the facts for the shaded boxes. Okay, so blue, okay, you need to go to the blue, it's the number 22. You need to go to the blue box. The blue box is right down here, right? Okay, you're going to go to the left to see what number you need to write first in the first blank. So going left, okay, what is that number?
3.
3. So we're going to write a 3 in the first box for the first add-in, okay? Then go up. Okay? Go up. All the way up. What number is the second number?
1.
What from blue? Guys, from blue.
1.
We went over to the 3. Now go up. What is that number? 1. 3 plus 1 is what?
4.
Okay. Now let's do the orange box. Or it looks orange to me. It might be red. I don't know.
Orange.
Okay, orange. Okay, so we are going to go to the orange box and we're going to go to the left, which would be what number?
2.
2. And then we're going to go up to the orange box and go up. That would be
1.
2 plus 1 is
3.
3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, do you think you could do number 24 and 25 on your own?
Yes.
Okay, do it.
Yes.
Go ahead and do it. I'm going to turn to the next page so we are ready for a hot problem and test prep. Put your pencils in the air when you're done. Okay. Sam painted 3 pictures. Ellie painted twice as many pictures as Sam. Okay, if you're saying twice as many, what do you think that means?
Double.
Double! If you double 3, how many 3s do you have?
2.
2 3s. So, Sam had 3. Sam had 3. Ellie had double that. Double 3 is 2 3s is what?
6.
6. Okay? 6 pictures. Now, 29 is stumping you guys. I've been grading your papers and everybody has missed this one.
I think I might.
Chloe draws 8 pictures. Okay? So Chloe draws 8. Reggie draws 1 more picture than Chloe. What's 1 more than 8, boys and girls?
9.
Oh, wait, hold on. Actually, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, so yes, Reggie draws 9. But then the question says, how many pictures do they draw? So you have to do 8 plus 9 to find the answer. Okay, yours was wrong, Grace's. You have to do 8 plus 9 to find the answer, because it's saying both of them together. So you know Reggie draws 9 because it's 1 more, but then how much do they draw together? Okay, that's what you need to do for 29. All right. Boys and girls, it is time for music. You need to quietly go get sanitizer and line up. And Liam, I'm going to